It's something you rarely think about, but did you know your email signature could help cybercriminals pretend to be you? Imagine you get an email from a trusted colleague. It's actually a cleverly disguised phishing attempt trying to trick you into clicking a malicious link or downloading a harmful attachment. Cybercriminals can mimic an email signature to make their fake emails look legitimate. How do you protect yourself and your business? First, make sure your email signatures are consistent and simple. Avoid using too many flashy elements or unverified links. This helps reduce the risk of them being spoofed. Also, make sure only necessary contact information is included and that all links are clearly labelled. Educate your team regularly on how to spot phishing attempts. Encourage everyone to double check sender details and hover over links to verify URLs before clicking. Use robust encryption algorithms to secure email signatures. This makes it much harder for cybercriminals. And lastly, always keep your email systems updated and audit your signatures regularly. We can help make sure your email signatures remain a tool for communication, not a vulnerability. Get in touch.